Hello, my name is Graham Proctor, and I'm the president of Aparian Automation. We're a silver technology partner with Rockwell. We've been around since 2014, and we offer communication gateways and DCS migration solutions for legacy DCS systems. Our communication offerings include Modbus, ControlNet, DeviceNet, CanOpen, J1939. We also have a 1588 PTP Grandmaster clock solution, as well as our DCS migration options for Honeywell TDC 3000 and the Bailey Infin 90. Our communication gateways, for the most part, connect legacy protocols and legacy control systems to Rockwell's current offering. And what differentiates us is that we make a really easy to use and very well integrated solution into Rockwell. Being a partner with Rockwell has enabled us to really leverage their control systems technologies and communication protocols to enable us to make really well integrated systems. And customers really love our devices because they are very easy to use. They are packed full of diagnostics, including Wireshark type packet capture, which really enable you to dig deep into your system and work out what's going on.